Is this the final design for the top? Just watch and see. Hi Soapy friends, it's Steph from Micas and More. This is the inspiration pick for my new fragrance, Lavender and Spring Apricot. Let's make soap. First I add the lye water to my melted oils. And then I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. The fragrance oil has notes of lavender, apple, pomelo, apricot, magnolia, bamboo, dahlia, sandalwood, cedar, musk, and cashmere wood. It's a lovely fruity floral. For colors, I'm using Clementine mica, Lavender mica, and a smaller portion of orange coral mica and apple green mica. There's also a little bit left uncolored. Let's get this soap in the mold. I'll use my gear tie for a hanger swirl. For a top design, I'll add some remaining soap with apple green mica and also some lilac glitter in oil. I'll use a toothpick for a delicate design. It looked pretty nice here, but I wasn't happy with it and I had to keep swirling. Eventually I realized that I had overdone it. So I added some more glitter and made a new design. And here's some cut soap picks. If you'd like to get the supplies used here, you can order anytime online. You can also join my Facebook group, Steph's Micas and More, to find out what's coming up next. Thanks for watching.